This person asked, when David Schwartz was saying one XRP equals 1 million versus 1 million, equals the same outcome, but this was before the CBDC, so that's why XRP is a gas token under the Hyperledger Quant. Well, XRP has nothing to do with Hyperledger, has nothing to do with Quant, um, and the CBDCs are on the XRP ledger. The stablecoins are on the XRP ledger. So you would still need XRP to transact those. Right? Every XRP ledger transaction burns XRP to hold or trade tokens on the XRP ledger. You need an XRP wallet, so you're locking up XRP. It's a very small economic impact, the burning of XRP every transaction, but it is a necessity, right? So, trying to make a connection between David's comments about it can't be dirt cheap and now stablecoins and CBDCs are here. I see where you're trying to make that connection. The thing that you have to understand is that we aren't moving liquidity at scale on the XRP ledger. We're moving nothing on the XRP ledger relative to what we should be and could be moving on the XRP ledger down the road, right? And so, as the stable coins and the CBDCs come to the XRP ledger, it's going to bring more value on chain. And then as the trading and liquidity between those assets picks up, right, it's going to be burning more XRP, locking up more XRP, and driving more demand for XRP because people will want to get to the XRP ledger to issue assets, to redeem assets, to trade assets, and hold assets. And so for XRP to facilitate some of those liquidity flows, it will have to be at a higher price. So what David was saying with those comments is it can't be dirt cheap if you're going to move some of these flows that we're looking at. That still stands today. Nothing's changed.